Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Fortnite and your console or PC are updated. This avoids hidden bugs. Once done, make sure your headset or mic is connected and set as the system default so the game can detect it. Now, launch Fortnite, sign in, and open the settings menu via the gear icon on the main screen. You're doing the essential prerequisites while already taking your first actionable step. Navigate into the game's settings to access audio and privacy controls. You're now in the Audio tab. Set master volume first so voice levels are audible against music and SFX. Next, enable voice chat if it's off, then explicitly select your input device so Fortnite uses the right mic. Adjust the in-game mic volume and sensitivity so your voice isn't clipped or too quiet. Then choose the chat channel, party, proximity, or cross-platform, depending on who you want to hear or speak with. These choices change who receives your audio and matches. Once you've configured settings, save them and test by inviting a friend or joining a party to verify both input and output work. Try push-to-talk briefly to confirm the mic indicator responds, then switch back to open mic if preferred. If you still have problems, make sure Fortnite has microphone permission in your system settings, check your NAT type and network stability, and inspect the headset or cable for faults. These quick checks usually resolve the remaining issues so you can get back to playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.